Kenworth T680 here at Arthur Trophy & Sons, 2018 model year. You might notice it's a little funny shaped and it's a little quiet. It's because it has a compressed natural gas engine system in it versus a typical diesel. Let's take a walk around, see what we got going on. Cab and nose are in pretty good shape. Aluminum wheels up front. Underneath the hood is a Cummins motor, and behind that is a 13-speed auto shift for you. Come on back. Frame's in pretty good shape. 40,000-pound rears on it. Nice aerodynamic wheel covers for you. I believe they're aluminum wheels underneath. Frame looks like it's in pretty good shape. Fifth wheel's doing what it's supposed to do. Coming up here to these little door hatches, you have your gauge and your inputs and your emergency shutoff. Nice aluminum step in the back up to the frame. Come on in real quick. Nice air ride seat. Again, auto shift in the center. Very nice taking care of trucks. Available right now here at Arthur Trophy & Sons in beautiful Sparrow Bush, New York. We've been in business over 90 years. Looking forward to taking care of you. Come by, we'll show it to you. We don't just have one of these, we have a handful of them. We'd love to make them a package deal for someone, so come on by, get in on them, see what they can do for you, and see how we can help you out. We look forward to seeing you down the road.